Hello once again, and this is Jada Ashley Spencer, Scarlet 27 once again, and we have received another package, so let's crack it open. On our little workstation bed. So this is the package. How do we get into said package? Knife. I hope it's a little star. What was that? I don't know what this is. That's the first thing. Oh, I see. 90. I'm not sure what this is. What is this? Oh, this is the underglow lighting, isn't it? Yeah. Oh, okay, sweet. Well, that looks legit. Sweet. Right, what do we get in this? This is the most poorly packaged box I've ever seen. You just got loose cable ties, like tiny little cable ties. Right. I need to make sure I don't unravel this. But you got this, and it's I forgot what size this is. This is 90 centimeter. So I think each of them are like that long, or something. And I'll go to a little fuse box, and then getting this connects onto the battery. Yeah. Got ya. Sweet. And it's all double-sided tape underneath there. Cool as. Once again, as I always say, this won't be fitted on for a very long time. Well, not a very long time, but a substantial amount of time. I'm gonna get some of the bodywork done first. I'm gonna get the spoiler and rear diffuser on first. So this could be like a summer thing, and then it could be a next year winter thing. And that's probably when I'll use it most. But I wanna use this. I don't know whether you can like sort of like wire it up where. Like we didn't get one of the little controllers. Oh no. Well, that's fun. That's real fun. Okay. Sick. I'm sure you'll be able to do it via phone. So yeah. Yeah, we didn't get one of them controllers. This could be a bad buy. This could be a very bad buy. As I never say, but I always wish to say, don't buy this until I've tested it. Once I've tested it and it's got the all clear, then go and buy it. Because this looks very sus. It looks a bit shit, to be fair. But yeah. Anyway, I'm going to end it here. As I said, after we fit our spoiler and our rear diffuser, which will be sort of summertime-ish, then I'll crack this open. Yeah. Sweet. But yeah, anyway, I'm going to end it here. This has been Jada Ashley Spencer and Scarlet 27. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share. Check out my other videos, and goodbye, my friends. Bye.